So as Luke had mentioned, there's a tremendous amount of actionable intelligence and strategies in our playbook compendium. In the slide on the screen, we've listed just a subset of the table of contents of each of the three sections. In today's presentation, we'll be taking a look at a few in each of those three modules, but by no means is this the exhaustive list. There's much, much more that we couldn't possibly cover in an hour-long presentation. So we urge you to request the full table of contents and executive summary in the chat. So as a background, recently, ARC surveyed the industry for top sustainability challenges. Notice that all of these are fairly equitably distributed in each of the three buckets of people, process, and platforms. Some and many are in more than one. Notice that the top 9 in our list above are mentioned by, on average, by 1/3 of the respondents. This truly underscores the need for a full life cycle approach that supports a large number of needs from a broad and diverse collection of stakeholders. And that's exactly the approach we took at ARC when we developed the Sustainability Strategies Playbook. So what does the current adoption rate of sustainability strategies really look like in industry? Well, the above are results of another set of ARC research projects. The takeaway is only 50% of corporate entities surveyed do have a substantial sustainability program. There's clearly much more work to do in this domain. But it's also important to remember that sustainability is a rapidly evolving domain, and even those with robust programs need continuing vigilance. Is sustainability good for business? ARC's prior research also found a common theme for all three segments of our webinar, namely the urgent need for businesses to leverage the value sustainability can provide as our world becomes increasingly complex in responding to the challenges and opportunities that do lie ahead. It's clear that the vast majority of organizations have recognized for some time now that sustainability has positive effects and business benefits that are overwhelmingly stronger than any negative impacts.